Get started ReactJS course. Before we start, you have to install Node on your system. Link already given in the description. You can check out how can be installed. Open VS Code, then write here npm x create app, then your app name. Hit enter. It will take some time. Now change directory cd react app. Let's see, our React app is here. Here some are folders, node module for node modules, public. Here is tab icon, HTML. Inside the HTML, we have one div with root ID. Other thing we will discuss later. Inside the source folder, we will review some important files. First of all, when we run our React application, that start from index.js, root equal to react DOM create get element by id root, its reference to this element. App component imported from app.js. Here are some HTML. Let's see how can we run this app. Right here npm run start, hit enter. It takes some time. Visit this URL. Our React app successfully running now. Let's make some changes. It's reflected here. I hope you like this video and check